Have you ever pulled an all-nighter for a test? Or gone into your room to study and just felt lost on some of the question? When you think of studying, do you picture yourself at the library at midnight, cramming for a test while gulping large quantities of caffeine? This is a common outcome for those who let procrastination get the better of them. There are a lot of effective ways to study, and believe it or not, they don't have to be stressful. Stick to the end of this video to find out some ways to avoid those all-nighters and to be the most effective student you can be. Number 1. Schedule regular study sessions. Many students cram on the last day, and if you're watching this video while cramming, then you can still use this, just less efficiently than if you had planned better. Start planning your studying at the beginning of the term. First, schedule regular study sessions dedicated to your weekly assignments. You might even add them to your calendar. Then, look ahead at your syllabus to identify exam periods or see when you have papers due, and set longer study sessions aside. For example, if you have a test on Friday, and it's currently Monday, then spread the studying over those 5 days. You will have much less stress, and much less work each day, and will actually remember it better because each day you are only working on a certain sector of the chapter, leaving more room for focus. By spreading out your study sessions, building in regular appointments with your books, and being disciplined with the schedule you've built, you'll also have more time for fun. The same idea applies to essays. Instead of writing it all in one day and staying up until 3 a.m., each day of the week write one paragraph, and instead of 3 hours in one day, you get it done with 30 minutes a day. Number 2. Partner up. Studying with a friend or study group is great for multiple reasons. First, scheduling sessions with another person hold you accountable. If you have a regular study buddy or study group, you'll be less likely to skip it. Second, studying with another person can help you better understand the material. Because everyone learns differently, a study group can provide you with the opportunity to tap into many different learning styles and perspectives. A discussion among a group of people helps you think more critically by hearing different perspectives. Plus, it's more fun. Start the term by looking around at your class to see who you might already know. Compare your schedules and build study sessions together. Next, number 3, tap into different resources. Just as many of you watch this video rather than just reading articles, you should be using different methods of studying. A study in 2008 states that the more regions of the brain that store data about a subject, the more interconnection there is. This redundancy means students will have more opportunities to pull up all of those related bits of data from their multiple storage areas in response to a single cue. There are many ways that you can use this key, for example, by talking to your professor. This is the first person you should go to for help. Your professor can be a great sounding board for your ideas or a guide to help you make sure you're headed in the right direction. One-on-one tutoring can be helpful for long-term success or for mastering complex topics. Many campuses offer academic assistance through campus life offices. Check in with your advisor or student life office to see what tutoring resources are available to you. Resources on the internet also offer infinite information. One very well-known site is Khan Academy, Udemy, or edX, where you can watch videos, complete practice questions, as well as ask people in the community about issues that you've had. A few other examples of switching your study methods are flashcards, YouTube videos, audio exercises, apps such as Quizlet, as well as just studying with friends at a library or over Skype. Number 4. Take care of yourself. Good study habits go beyond the act of studying itself. Good habits encourage taking care of yourself. If you're cramming right now or have pulled all-nighters in the past, then it may pay off once in a while. However, as a general rule of thumb, you want to be getting a minimum of 7 hours of sleep a night to function properly. Research shows that a good night's sleep can actually help you process and retain what you studied. If you're not getting enough sleep, your IQ actually drops if tested, as you are not able to think as quickly, and your mental age drops. This can snowball into more stress, lower grades, and even less sleep in the future. There are rumors Einstein slept 10 hours a day, and had daytime naps as well, showing that even a genius needs sleep. Similar to sleeping, exercise gives you the energy to enjoy life. Outside of your study times, exercise is a proven way to improve your memory. Build in physical activity to your weekly schedule to improve both your physical health and brain activity. Just 22 minutes a day can help. 5. Use study breaks. Studies show that taking breaks improves creativity and strengthens your problem-solving abilities. For instance, if you have to read 20 pages of a textbook one night, then you can break that into chunks of 5 pages each, focus intensely, and then take a 5-minute break in between each chunk. This will allow you to enjoy the process and not see it as a daunting task of reading 20 pages in one sitting. It has been proven that after about 45 minutes, your focus will begin to decline, but after a 5-minute break for walking, stretching, or watching an entertaining YouTube video like this one, you will have enough energy for another 45 minutes of studying. Break your work into chunks and make sure to stand up and stretch, go grab some water, or take a stroll, especially when you're feeling your eyes cross from too much information. If you want a more scientific approach to this method, check out the proven Pomodoro technique. 6. Quiz yourself. This goes without saying. If you quiz yourself and perform well, your confidence will contribute to a higher score while also revealing areas that you need to improve. There are several methods to achieve this, including searching for practice exams online, looking over questions in books, and quizzing yourself with friends. You will realize what you are good at and will not spend time studying topics you already know if you use this method. Again, Quizlet is an excellent resource if you're in a rush. Thank you for listening, and remember, you only need to master one thing at a time. Good luck on your journey.